Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this very tasty fish, and it can be salmon fish, any kind of fish, and I'm going to show you how to make it, and it's absolutely delicious. And let's get started. Here is the whole fish, and I just cleaned it, washed it. It's a whole fish. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it in half. Take all these bones out, so it's going to be 2 pieces. That's how the fish looks like. So I took the bone out, and now as you can see these little needles, I'm going to pull all out with a tweezer. I'll just pull them out like this and then take them all out. And here's the bone. That's how the bone looks like. I'm going to deep fry this or pan fry it with the seasoning I want, and I'll show you when this is all done. Here's the my fish. I took all the bones out with the tweezer, so you can just run your finger through it like this. This is how you're gonna check every single bone, that make sure they're out, and this is how it looks. The reason I did this because I bought a whole fish. It's way cheaper than you buy it boneless, and you get a lot of fish for a good price. So this is what's gonna be. I'm going to season it with some cornstarch instead of flour. I'm not gonna put flour, I'm gonna put cornstarch, and maybe a teaspoon of baking powder just to keep it the top crunch. So let's start. I'm going to season this separate and season this separate. I'm going to put this seasoning into my veggies here. So I got some tomatoes, the sliced onion and potatoes. So the seasoning is for that. Right here, I've got a teaspoon of chili powder, salt is to your taste, and I got lemon powder, pepper. You see lemon pepper. And that chili, you can put cayenne, whatever you like. And then I have some garlic powder here as well. So this is the garlic powder. So I'm going to add a little bit of tomato paste, not too much, maybe a tablespoon, into my veggies and this as well. Here's how it looks after I seasoned baking powder and cornstarch. This is what it's gonna look like. And this is what my fish looks like. And then with tomato paste and everything, this is how it looks. Now I'm going to just fix it in my tray nicely. And then I will add a little bit of oil as well. And then before I cover it to put it on the oven, I'm going to preheat my oven right now at 400. It's gonna be on for about maybe 10 minutes. I'll lower it down to 350 for about or until my potato cooked, and then I'll take the topping off to get it golden brown at the top. So here is how it looks like. I just put it like this, and then I'm going to cover it with a tin foil and put it in the oven, as I said, until after 20 minutes or so. I'll check it out. It's going to be on 400 for 10 minutes, and then I lower it down to 350 for 20 minutes. So it's been here in the oven for about 25 minutes altogether, and if I check the bottom, it's starting to get brown, and the top, it's not done yet. So I'm going to turn the boil on for a few minutes and until it's all get golden brown, and I'll take it out. Here is the fish. It's all done, and this is how it looks. And I just took it out of the oven. Well, here it is. This is how I played it for myself, and you can plate it however you like. Please try making it this way. It's really tasty. It's really good, and I really hope you enjoy making it and eating it. Thanks for watching.